Welcome to Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native, video number 117. In this in this video, first enjoy a superb comedy scene which will teach you the pronunciation difference between na and na. The comedy is by Vadively, who ruled the comedy scene for a long period. He is famous for his self-deprecating comedy. You'll find the link in the description, and I'm giving a couple of them hoping that one or the other would work if any of it gets deleted. And if you're new to this channel, I have already made 116 videos. You can check them. There's a wide variety of grammar, conversations, little phrases, and everything for you to learn Tamil. And this is the tab as we always do, and this is video number 117. This is a very interesting clip of comedy. You'll find the link below in the description, and when you have finished watching this video, you will not miss to utter the na and na correctly. In one of the earlier lessons, I've taught how to say ra properly. I chanced upon this joke and I thought this will really help you to understand na and na. So there's a word called yenna, meaning what or me, and there's another word called yenna, meaning oil. Listen to it. It's a stressed and rolled up na. Yenna, na. If you go through my videos, I use small letters and sometimes and capital letters n sometimes, and this is the reason they are subtle different sounds. One is yenna and the other one is yenna. Okay, the next one is nallanna, meaning sesame oil, but it can also be understood as nalla plus yenna, meaning good oil or good quality oil. As you can understand from this, for this comedy is all about tricking your ear, what we call as pun in English. The similar sounding two words that can mean different things to confuse the listener. And you can play with it. The comedy is more of a pun. Similar to the ra that you have already learned, if you have not watched that video, just click here on the top right. Okay, now na and na. The first one is where you touch somewhat the tip of the tongue, and the next one is more stressed and a rolled back tongue. For the first one, I'm using the small letter N, and for the stressed one, the capital letter N. You'll find them in all my video, and the first one is a single and short letter in Tamil, and the second one is a double rolled one. You can look there. Now let us get to the joke. You can watch the video first and watch this video afterwards, or you can finish up this and watch the video joke, whichever you like. By the by, it is always a good idea to watch the video slowed down to 0.75 speed in YouTube, at least for the first time. You can hear the words clearly. Alright, we start. Bro-in-law, just come here. மச்சான் இங்க வாங்களேன். Machcha can mean sister's husband, or a friendly term still used among young friends and guys in rural and occasionally in urban setup. Though considered rural, just among friends they still use it, even if they do not literally mean brother-in-law. In English, the word bro is used even if the person is not your brother. It's similar to that. Please look after the shop. Let me go to the market and get some sales items. கொஞ்சம் கடையை பார்த்துக்கோங்க, மார்க்கெட்டுக்கு போய் ஜாமான் வாங்கிட்டு வந்துடுறேன். So the guy tells to his machan to look after the shop. Please look after the shop. Let me go to the market and get some sales items. கொஞ்சம் கடையை பார்த்துக்கோங்க, மார்க்கெட்டுக்கு போய் ஜாமான் வாங்கிட்டு வந்துடுறேன். Oh wow, my sister's hubby. In English, you would call him brother in law as well, but Mapillai literally means the groom or the hero of the wedding, but this is also used commonly among people in different places. Wow, my sister Sabi is maintaining the shop very well. டே அப்பா தங்கச்சி மாப்பிள்ளை கடையை நல்லா தான் வச்சிருக்கான். Oh wow, my sister's groom does have his shop quite impressive. டே அப்பா தங்கச்சி மாப்பிள்ளை கடையை நல்லா தான் வச்சிருக்கான். So yeah is a suffix term used among people widely in rural setup. It's an informal term among known people and it shows acquaintance. In just a single day, let me learn the business. Let me go to the native and have a few small shops opened. இன்னைக்கு ஒரே நாளில் வியாபாரத்தை கற்றுக்கிட்டு போய் நம்ம ஊரில் தெரு ஓரமாக 4 சின்ன கடை வச்சிட வேண்டியது தான். இன்னைக்கு ஒரே நாளில் மீன்ஸ் ஜஸ்ட் வித்தின் டுடே ஆர் பை த எண்ட் ஆஃப் த டே வியாபாரத்தை கற்றுக்கிட்டு போய் லேர்னிங் த பிஸ்னஸ் நம்ம ஊரில் தெரு ஓரமாக இன் அ ஸ்ட்ரீட் கார்னர் இன் அவர் டவுன் சின்ன கடை வச்சிட வேண்டியது தான். Let me have a few small shops. Are you new to the shop? கடைக்கு புதுசா? Now comes the brakeman asking him, are you new to the shop? கடைக்கு புதுசா? What will you do if it is an old one? பழசா இருந்தால் மட்டும் என்ன பண்ண போற? That is to which the man in the shop, that is the temporary acting shopkeeper, says mischievously and teasingly, but with a serious tone, what will you do if it's an old one? பழசா இருந்தால் மட்டும் என்ன பண்ண போற? So he's actually talking in a playful yet irritating way. And all of this you'll very well understand once you see the clipping. To which Vadivelu, the comedian, says politely, no man, I haven't seen you before and hence I inquired. இல்லையா இதுக்கு முன்னால் பார்த்ததில்லையேன்னு கேட்டேன். இல்லையா இதுக்கு முன்னால் பார்த்ததில்லையேன்னு கேட்டேன். So this is where the pun or the same word with multiple synonym or meaning starts. By merely seeing in advance, what are you going to do? It can also mean by seeing the front, what are you going to do? So munna can mean before, earlier, or the front side. முன்னாடி பார்த்ததே பார்த்தா மட்டும் என்ன பண்ண போற? முன்னாடி பார்த்தா மட்டும் என்ன பண்ண போற? To which Vadivelu a bit impatiently says, man, I have never ever seen you and hence I asked. Yo, முன்ன பின்ன பார்த்ததே இல்லைன்னு கேட்டேயா. So yo here shows his sharp and impatient tone. It is like, oh man. Yo, முன்ன பின்ன பார்த்ததே இல்லைன்னு கேட்டேயா. முன்ன பின்ன means earlier ever. So the sarcasm continues. What will you do if you see afterwards or later? But it can also mean what would you do seeing from the back? பின்னாடி பார்த்தா மட்டும் என்ன பண்ணுவ? பின்னாடி பார்த்தா மட்டும் என்ன பண்ணுவ? Now Vadivelu realizes that the guy is trying some prank on him. Ah, he's trying my game on me. நம்ம விட்ட நம்மகிட்டே போடுறான். Bit is the English word which is now sometimes used colloquially in this context. Better to get it started. ஆரம்பிச்சிட வேண்டியது தான். Because he's the one who usually does such pranks. What do you want? என்ன வேணும்? Listen carefully, it is what do you want. என்ன, the less stressed one. என்ன வேணும்? I want oil. என்ன வேணும்? But if you do not listen to it properly, it can be misunderstood as what do you want? What do you want? என்ன வேணும்? I want oil. என்ன வேணும்? And again, the same confusion. You could see the possible misinterpretation in the second line as italics later. What do you want at all? என்னதான் வேணும்? It is only oil that I need, and it can also be confused as what do you need at all? என்னதான் வேணும்? I hope you all get the drift now. Is it me the shopkeeper or you the shopkeeper? நீ கடைக்காரனா நான் கடைக்காரனா? It is you indeed. நீதான். Of course it is you. Then shouldn't I be the one asking? அப்ப நான் தானே கேட்கணும். Of course. Or yes. ஆமா. What do you want? என்ன வேணும்? I want oil. என்ன வேணும்? So once you watch the video, you would understand so far better. Now it moves on to next level. Now the shopkeeper loses his patience and says in a very vexatious tone, "Why do you torture me right in the morning itself?" But that can also mean, why do you fry me right in the morning itself? Varuthedukra is the shift of word now, though it means to fry. In colloquial term, it has another meaning, that is to put to torture, annoy. ஏன் காலங்காத்தால இப்படி வறுத்தெடுக்கிற? ஏன் காலங்காத்தால இப்படி வறுத்தெடுக்கிற? I have not tortured at all. The other meaning could be, I have not fried at all yet. இன்னும் வறுத்தெடுக்கவே இல்லை. I have not fried at all yet. இன்னும் வறுத்தெடுக்கவே இல்லை. Hey man, please tell me what you want and stop torturing me. Or, hey please tell me what you want and stop frying me. It can mean both. Yo, வறுத்தெடுக்காம என்ன வேணும்னு கேளியா? It's only for torturing that I asked, what do you want? It's only for frying I asked oil. It can mean both. வறுத்தெடுக்கிறதுக்கு தான் என்ன வேணும்னு கேட்டேன். I'm sure you could be getting the swing of the joke by now. வறுத்தெடுக்கிறதுக்கு தான் என்ன வேணும்னு கேட்டேன். Now the shopkeeper seems to have understood the figure of speech. He says, "Hey, what did you ask for? Hey, நீ என்ன கேட்ட? Hey, நீ என்ன கேட்ட?" It's only oil that I asked for. என்ன தான் கேட்டேன். Oh, you asked the oil. And there's another meaning to it. Oh, you asked about me. என்ன can also mean me. Oh, நீ என்ன கேட்டியா? Vadively is tireless in his teasing and he says, "Who even bothered to ask about you? உன்னை எவன் யா கேட்டான்?" Hey, why do you confuse me? You asked me this oil, didn't you? Yo, ஏன் யா குழப்புற? நீ இந்த எண்ணெயை தானே கேட்ட? He feels relieved now. Yo, ஏன் யா குழப்புற? நீ இந்த எண்ணெயை தானே கேட்ட? Oh, come on, you should have told that right away. அப்புறம் என்னையா இதை முதல்லையே சொல்ல வேண்டியது தானேயா? You should have been more clear. That is what he means. See, I talked somewhat teasingly as soon as you came. Do you have to really retaliate or counterattack for that? வந்த உடனே ஏதோ ஏடா கூடமா பேசிட்டேன். அதுக்கு இப்படியா பம்ப் அடிக்கிறது? Now he admits what could have caused this confusion. I talked somewhat teasingly as soon as you came. Do you have to really retaliate or counterattack for that? வந்த உடனே ஏதோ ஏடா கூடமா பேசிட்டேன். அதுக்கு இப்படியா பம்ப் அடிக்கிறது? Pump அடிக்கிறது is a very colloquial term. It's not so widely used. I think probably it also came through the movie usage in the movies. Pump அடிக்கிறது means just to annoy. What do you want, man? Tell me, which oil do you want? என்ன வேணும் சொல்லியா? எந்த எண்ணெயா வேணும்? Groundnut oil, கடலெண்ணெய். Okay, you should have said that clearly. அப்படி சொல்ல வேண்டியதானே? Now it is Vadivelu's turn. Is it sesame oil? It can also mean, is it a good oil? இது நல்லெண்ணெயா? You asked for groundnut oil before, didn't you? Was it now? Or what is it now? நீ முதல்ல கடலை எண்ணெய் தானே கேட்ட, அப்புறம் என்ன? No, I asked if it is sesame oil. It can also mean, no, I asked if it is good oil. இல்லை நல்லெண்ணெயான்னு கேட்டேன். Now the shopkeeper really goes crazy. And now Vadivelu consoles him. Wait, man. I asked if it is pure sesame oil. Or wait. I asked if it is pure and good oil. இரியா சுத்தமான நல்லெண்ணெயான்னு கேட்டையா? Wait. I asked if it is pure and good oil. இரியா சுத்தமான நல்லெண்ணெயான்னு கேட்டையா? Of pure quality. சுத்தமான. Oh, you meant that. அப்படி கேட்டியா? I swear it is a pure sesame oil. Or I promise it is for sure pure and good oil. சத்தியமா சுத்தமான நல்லெண்ணெய் தான்ப்பா. Now Vadivelu says, okay then, pour it. அப்போ ஊத்து. This is groundnut oil, is it not? இது கடலெண்ணெய் தானே? No, the shopkeeper, oh hell no, I'm going back to my native. Get me that ticket. ஐயோ நான் ஊருக்கு போகிறேன், எனக்கு டிக்கெட் எடுத்து கொடுங்க. So that is the comedy so far. Maybe the way I say that I explain everything is just for you to understand, but if you watch the comedy you can get it, and make sure to watch it in slower speed once, and then maybe the following times you can watch it. And if you enjoy such type of videos, and if you think these videos help you to learn the language faster, I can include more of such videos. So now I advise you to click the link below, watch the video, and you can enjoy both the joke and how well you have progressed in Tamil. So I'm doing a variety of videos. It takes a ton of hours to make these videos. I hope you find them interesting. So don't give up. There are also many interesting other channels where you can learn Tamil. I'll try to find other useful links and include that in the blog. All the best. Vanakkam. Paklama.